Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark, and in this video we're going to do a little abstract design, some easy artwork for you to do in the salon. So I'm using the practice hand again, and I've got the tips stuck to this. So we're going to use a medium sanding band, and we're going to have our E-file on about 6,000 RPMs. And we're going to very gently buff over the natural nail. Just to take off that surface shine. It's only on low, so it can't hurt anyone. Dust that off and then we'll fit the tips. So I'm going to do a round tip. When I do round, I like to use the stiletto tips. Then we take our tip cutters, and I'm just going to do them fairly short this set. .180 grit file, and we want to take off the corners to round them off. And buff over the tip just to blend that line. Dust that off, and at this point you would obviously dehydrate and prime. However, it's a practice hand, so there's no need to do that. And I'm going to be using Max Adhesion liquid and soft beige acrylic powder. Hey God, what is wrong with me today?
Butterfingers.
I know. Small bead of acrylic. Working it down to the tip. Keeping the bulk of the product in the middle of the nail. And with the round ones I like to feather it off. Don't want big thick tip. Feather that down. Small cuticle bead. Work that up to the top. And then the same again. Remember, the cuticle area doesn't need a massive amount of acrylic on it. It needs to be quite seamless, so you keep it nice and thin around the cuticle. You'll find it a lot harder to control it if you put a lot of acrylic at the top. I'll let these dry now and then we'll file them. So we're going to file these now. We're going to use a 180 grit file just to perfect the shape. Or neaten it up even after the acrylic application. The free edge, make sure the sides are nice and straight. Underneath. Then we're going to take our medium bit E-file piece and we're going to have it on about 10,000 RPMs. And if you look at from the side, we need to start from the cuticle and work our way to the tip. So we're going to use the top of the E-file, bring it down using all of the barrel, just in the centre of the nail. Then come down the sides slightly just to take down that bulk. Feathering off the end. And that's it for the E-filing, and then onto the next one, same again. Just the centre of the nail. Then take our 240 grit file and we're going to section the nail off into two parts. So we're going to come down the nail this side, and then up the nail and back down it this side. She's losing her rings. I think she's had enough of the jewellery.
Oh well. You put it on back on for the reveal.
Just turn her around. Tighten her back up. So you want to put your file like this, rest it on the tip and just perfect that shape. That way you can see if your shape's right. You need to straighten it up a little bit, which you mostly always do. Oh, she's given up on me.
Weak wrists.
Gives them a dust off. Wipe over with some gel res. And we're ready for our design. So we're going to use, let's see, bitch. Doesn't even feel right saying that on camera. Glass and a half, which is a nice purple. Mint to be. Snow White. And maybe a bit of glitter. Glitter Girl. Gorgeous glitter. So super easy. Drain, get the most of the excess polish off your brush. Random sections. And we'll cure that bit. Then with bitch, we're going to do the same in some other random places. Different directions as well. You want it totally crazy. Overlap if you want. Just flash cure in between, there's no need for a full cure. Mint to be.
Same again.
Same again. Totally random. Then we'll use our Snow White and Serious Black in the palette. We're just going to pop some random designs in. Again, 0003 brush, best thing for any of this kind of artwork. And this one will do like a little love heart. 2 small dots and just join them at the bottom. This one will do maybe eye. You can just do any pattern that you feel like over the top. It just looks brilliant with any. We'll do a nice little squiggle. Flash with that. Our pink.
So bright.
For the middle
pink,
of this eye. Yeah, it's really good, isn't it? Let's put a bit of this in as well. Bittersweet. It's a nice yellow colour. We're going bright, we may as well go bright, mightn't we?
No regrets.
No. Give her a bit of eyeshadow. Who doesn't love a bit of yellow eyeshadow?
And pink eyes.
Well, yeah.
Only thing better than pink eyes is diamond eyes.
Oh, don't. You moan at me for using all the diamonds and yet you encourage it so much.
This is just part of your vibe now, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
I think people would be disappointed if there was no diamonds.
I think we'll put just a white splodge on this one. Pupil. It's not an eye without a pupil.
It's true.
And some eyelashes. Maybe a bit of leopard print. Just want to show you how absolutely crazy it can be and still look unreal. I think I actually want these nails.
Oh, look good.
Let's put this mint in it somewhere too. You might have to stop me in a minute, Joe.
I think this pinky needs a little something on it, doesn't it?
Do you think? Needs some black, doesn't
black,
it?
Yeah.
You were right there.
There we go.
That middle one needs a bit of something else, I do believe. And this glitter is unbelievable. So it's called Glitter Girl. So pigmented. I love. Zigzags on this one, I think. Right, I think I'm done.
Looks good to me.
Finish this off with some gel top coat. Oh, I love them. I love this design.
That's quite like 90s, sort of
Yeah.
Saved by the
Saved by the
Bell.
Bell, yeah. Or Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Yeah, exactly.
I loved Saved by the Bell.
Me too.
Oh, they're so pretty. Well, I love them.
Very cool.
They're so summer vibes, aren't they?
Yeah.
Let's put her ring back on. She's only half dressed.
Make it decent.
That's better. She looks better with the rings on with the funky nails. Hope you all enjoyed that video, Easy Abstract Design. We'll look forward to seeing your versions of this. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products will be listed down below, and we'll see you in the next video.